Welcome. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to turn on the typing indicator for a specific chat on Messenger. This is a simple process, but many people don't realize the option is there or how it works. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enable it so you can see when someone is actively typing in your conversation. First, open the Messenger app on your phone or device. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to use. Once the app is open, navigate to the conversation where you'd like to enable the typing indicator. This could be with a friend, a family member, or even a group depending on your preferences. Next, once you're inside that chat, look toward the very top where the other person's name is displayed. Go ahead and tap on their name. This will bring up additional settings and options that are specific to this conversation. Many people only use Messenger for sending messages and photos, but there are quite a few customization features hidden here. Now, in the settings menu for that chat, scroll through until you see the option labeled Typing Indicators or something very similar depending on your app version. This option controls whether you can see when the other person is typing, and in some cases, whether they can see when you are typing too. Once you find it, simply toggle the setting on. The switch should change color or move to confirm it's now active. From this point on, whenever that person begins typing a message to you, you'll notice the familiar moving dots appear inside the chat. It's a small feature, but it makes conversations feel more natural in real time since you can tell when a reply is on the way, and that's all there is to it. Just to recap, open the Messenger app, go to your chosen chat, tap the name at the top, look for typing indicators, and toggle it on. Thanks for watching.